Hello everyone, this is Prabha Singh. Splendid in English classes. I welcome to you. Okay. Now today we will talk about that is the root word that will be related to phobia, and phobia is very important word. Okay, it will increase to your vocabulary because sometimes we say that I am so much scared to water, but instead of scared of water, you can use a particular word that is related to phobia. Phobia means we can say that when you are fearing to something, fear. Okay, it's mean fear when you are fearing to something, and most of the pupils are fearing to something. Okay, so it's a phobia, it's a root word. Okay, so today we will discuss minimum 10 or 15 important words related to phobia. Oh, okay, tell me, you will describe to me that which kind of that thing which you are so much scared to that things. Okay, so today we will discuss important words. That first one is here autophobia. It's mean because most of the pupils have habitual that they always scared to be live alone. When you are scared, when you are scaring to be alone, to be alone. It's mean जब आपको when you are fearing to be alone, it's mean when you are fearing to be alone, it's mean you can say you don't want to live lonely, you don't want to spend your time to be lonely. जिनको अकेले होने से डर लगता है, that is autophobia. Okay, autophobia, you can connect to this word that it's mean lonely. Auto means you can say lonely. Phobia, it's mean here's the mean that is the fear. I have told you already that root word phobia is related to fear. When you are something, when something is that thing which is you don't like that thing, and you are so much scared to that kind of things. And second one is your acrophobia. Acrophobia is the mean when you are scaring to height. When you have been scaring to height, when you are scaring to heights, it means most of the pupils are habitual that when you will say to me that please go on that third floor or fourth floor, when they will say beneath on the floor, then obviously they will feel so much scared because you can't. When obviously it's my also idea, but I'm not auto. You can say acrophobia. I'm not so much fearing to height. No, but most of the people when they are going on the fourth or fifth floor you can say, and when they are peeping on the floor to the highest point, so obviously they will feel so much scared. So here's the myth, acrophobia. Acrophobia, you can say when you are fearing to height. Third one is here aquaphobia, because if you have listened that aquaphobia, aqua is mean related to water. Aqua is related to water. Aqua purify, if you have watched to that ad which you will see on the TV, aquaguard, it's mean related to water. When they are talking about to purify, how you can purify to the water, so that is the aqua related to water. When sometime they can this question can be asked that aqua related to word, to which word, so you will give the reply that related to water. Aquaphobia, it's mean when something, obviously I am also scared to aqua, you can say aquaphobia, because water, when you will see the water waves on the high peak, because on the beach when you will see the waves on the height, so you will feel so much scared, it's mean that is the aquaphobia, when you are fearing to water, when you are fearing, it's mean to water. Next word is your bathyphobia. Bathyphobia means you can say when you are fearing to storm, because it's related to child. When you will see the child, because when you will see the environment, when you are watching the canopy that clouds are scattered on the clouds on the sky, that is the canopy. Okay, when you will see canopy, it means sky. तो बैसीफोबिया, इट्स मीन यू कैन से व्हेन यू आर फियरिंग टू स्टॉर्म, इट्स मीन जिनको तूफानों से डर लगता है, ऑब्वियसली तूफान तो डरावनी होते, दैट इज सो मच स्केयर्ड, ठीक. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज योर बोटनोफोबिया, बिकॉज वी नो वेरी वेल बोटनोलॉजी रिलेटेड टू पौधों से रिलेटेड होता है, प्लांट से रिलेटेड होता है. सो बोटनोफोबिया, इट्स मीन बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर स्केयर्ड टू प्लांट्स. When you are scaring to plants, it means botonophobia. When you are fearing to plants. Okay, when you will go in the woods, obviously when you will say that plant's height is so much increasing. Obviously when you will see upstairs, up on the upside, obviously you will feel so much scared, because obviously when you will see old trees, obviously their roots are coming outside, and that tree looks so dangerous. So obviously most of the people are habitual that they are scaring to plants. So that is not new thing. Obviously most of the pupils are habitual. Third one is a calophobia. Calophobia, it's mean, you can say, when you are fearing to be beautiful things. कुछ लड़कियों की आदत होती है, बिकॉज वो सुंदर है तो वो डरती है ना, सुंदर चीज़ों से जिनको डर लगता है, इट्स मीन कैलोफोबिया. आई डोंट नो who is that guy who fearing to beautiful things. So that is calophobia. It's mean when you are fearing to something beautiful things. Next word is here cacophobia. Cacophobia, you can include this word when you are scaring to clumsy. Clumsy, it's mean भद्दी चीज़ों से जब डर लगता है ना, that is clumsy. Clumsy. When you are fearing to clumsy things, that is cacophobia. Next is here astrophobia. Astrophobia related to lighting. Lighting, because when you will see blind pupils, obviously they have no eyes. When after some time, if they have operation to the eyes, after some time if they find that they have got the eyes, obviously when they will see the lights, obviously they will feel so much scared thing. So that is astrophobia. It's mean when you are fearing to light. जब आपको रोशनी से डर लगता है, fear of lighting. Next one is here ergophobia. Ergophobia, you can include this word when, because when your teacher, or when you can say your principal, or wherever you have been doing job, if he has said to you that please do this thing, obviously you will feel so much scared, because most of the people are habitual that they are scaring to that kinds of work, जिनको काम से बहुत डर लगता है, that it's mean ergophobia. Obviously most of the people scared to this thing, ergophobia. They are because they don't want to do the work, obviously they will say to you, please do this work on behalf of my side. So this, you can say ergophobia. That is ergophobia when they are fearing to work, when they are fearing to hard work. If you are saying to that person that tomorrow is your exam, please do study, obviously they will feel so much, lethargy. So you can say ergophobia when they don't want to do work. Okay, so ergophobia means when you are fearing to work. Next is your apiphobia. Api, we know api related to bees. मतलब most actually people are so much habitual that they are fearing to bees. Normal thing, obviously they are so much poison thing. So obviously we feel so much scared. Apiphobia means when you are fearing to bees, जिनको मधुमक्खियों से डर लगता है. That is apiphobia. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed to this class and you have learned many minimum 8 or 10 words related to phobia. Phobias mean fear. When you are fearing to something, and please think about it that which quality you have inside. Or please think about it. Minimum 10 words I have discussed to you, and that is also related to your daily life. If you include to this word in your daily life. Okay, acrophobia, when someone is fearing to height, you will not say to that person, you are so much scaring to height. You should have to use this word, oh my god, how much acrophobia you are. If someone is fearing to water, obviously you will use their water, please don't fear to water. You to say this word, please don't be acrophobia. Aquaphobia. Okay, acrophobia is related to height, aqua related to water, api related to bees. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed today's class.